big call for the weekend ahead. Joey Duckets loves the MCG. He's going to kick 4. I just think that the size of that Brisbane forward line is going to be a bit of a problem for Geelong, but I think he's the only one who sort of stands up and actually helps them sort of get over the line.
I've gone with the Clug for 30 and a goal. I said he'll be man of the match. I think he's going to have an absolutely huge game. As we mentioned, Neil carrying a heel issue, so I think he'll be quelled a little bit, and I think McCluggage, look for him to get on the scoreboard.